Good morning, Eastview. Hope you guys are doing well as we get started today. We are on to Google Earth tour today. You're going to be making your own virtual vacation. That is the project. So the 4-day breakdown is today you're going to pick your 9 picks that you're going to use for this. The resources are all set up for you. You really just want to watch these videos today, and I would certainly watch my sample tour, which is right here for you. And it'll show you what your project should look like in the end. And then here's how you get to the website. There's no downloads. You just click on it, and then you'll click Launch Earth, and that will get you started. The directions are pretty straightforward. You're just pinning your 3 landmarks, and you'll have 3 photos for each one. You'll have one that's a aerial view or a sky view. You'll have a street view, and then your other one will be your Pixlr edit that you'll add as a full screen slide in that option. Everything is taught in the 2 tutorials ahead. And then tomorrow we're going to focus on just very light research. You're going to be adding 1 research fact for each of your landmarks. And you'll put that into text boxes that are on the Google Earth. You'll see the sample in mine, and then you're also going to share why you chose each landmark as well, and you'll deal with that tomorrow. You'll put it in your text as you get ready for this stage, which is the Flipgrid screencast. We won't do those till Monday, okay? And then I'll walk you through all of that on Monday, so we're not going to dive deeper into it, but there already is a tutorial there to help you, and there's a sample. So everything you need is on this one doc right here. But each day I'll kind of break it down a little further. So again, today's focus is watching the tutorials. I would watch my sample, and then I would just get started with the images. I think you're going to find this fun. I enjoyed making mine. I made one the last 2 days. And you'll be able to check that out. So if you get questions as you're working, just shoot me emails, and if I keep seeing the same ones, then obviously I'll add it to tomorrow's greeting. But this should be enjoyable, so I hope you do have fun with it. Good luck, guys.